Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show a special concept, okay? Triangle frame concept photo editing tutorial. Okay, first of all you have to own Picsart and you have directly go to pick canvas. And here you have to select 1:1 ratio white background, tap on pink arrow. Now you have to arrange this like this. Now go to edit image. And after this you have to go to add photo and select the triangle frame PNG. Friends, this is the triangle frame PNG. Now what you have to do is you have to zoom out and arrange perfectly in the center like this. Okay, arrange perfectly in the center. Done like this. Okay, now after this you have to tap on tick mark. Now you have to go to draw. Remember friends, whenever you're editing this image you have to cut your model image before editing. Okay, I already did because it will take time. Okay, add photo, go to stickers, go to my stickers, go to cutout and add your model image. This is the model image I am going to edit now. Now you have to decrease the opacity and you have to transform and arrange this model image perfectly in this position like this. Okay, how to arrange your model image like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Now by using this eraser, go to shapes, go to square, make it fill. You have to arrange these unwanted portions. Okay, by using this eraser tool like this. Okay, done. Now you have to arrange on the right side portion. Friends, if you are still watching my video, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. Now done. Now increase the opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick, go to edit image. Now we have to add some attraction PNGs, okay, for the attraction purpose. Before you have to go to tools and go to adjust, increase a little saturation, okay. And tap on this eraser, we have to erase on the face portions and hand portions. Okay, now it is perfect, tap on tick. Now we have to go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one. These are the three PNGs I am going to add one by one. First of all, I am going to erase this white PNG. Zoom out and erase simply in this portion. Now add this one. Rotate in this direction and zoom out and add in this portion like this. And this one, zoom out and arrange in this portion. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Now have to add another last PNG, go to add photo. And this is the model PNG. You have to arrange in this portion. Okay, now perfect. Now tap on tick. And you have to go to draw. Tap on this shape. Go to circle, decrease the size. Make this to red color and draw one circle here. Like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special triangle frame concept photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your images exactly like this. Simply follow my video and download the background and PNGs. I will give link in the description. You can go and download there. Friends, if you really enjoy, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and tap on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. Now go to draw. Tap on these three dots and save this image. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.